For anyone looking to get a muffler delete, that are asking about, the inside noise from it. I mean, honestly, there isn't any. And I'm in eco mode. I'll put it in comfort mode right now. There isn't any noise at all. Period. There is no noise. It sounds just like your regular car. So I mean, if you're looking to do it, go ahead. The only thing that there is, you can get some backfiring. I'm not sure if you can hear it. You can get some rumbling when I pull off the gas. Nah, you can't really hear it. But other than that, I mean, if you're looking to do it, do it. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.